All right, I got two very interesting tech products right here. These accessories uses magnetism to levitate. Like for this example, this levitates the plant pot, as well as this levitates the light bulb. So we're gonna unbox these two and see how they really work and all that. So let's do the plant pot first. Hopefully the other one actually, it's been raining all day, so the box is kind of wet, but hopefully it still works. We'll see. Okay, so this one is from Band D. It says floating pot, modern design, magnetic levitation technology, as well as 360 degrees of sunlight exposure. Not sure what that means, but I think it's because it's rotating and all that. Durable material and all. Okay, let's open this up. Right. Okay. All right, right off the bat, I got the floating plant pot operating instructions right here. We got the QR code, how to levitate the floating pot. Oh my God, how to levitate the floating pod. Okay, place it on, yada, add your favorite plant. Yeah, of course, it doesn't have a plant inside. It's gonna die. Probably have one cactus right here, succulent and all that, so we're gonna try to put that inside. Okay, floating plant pot includes 120 volts AC adapter, magnetic levitation base and all. Okay, all right. Pretty straightforward. We have the power adapter right here. This is, again, it says it's a 120 volt AC power adapter right here. Okay. Okay, so it's onto the side. You have to take everything off. Okay, so put it on the side. What do you have here? We have the base of the plant pot. Again, I'm really interested in this one because I'm really curious in how this magnetism works. At least, I mean, I know how magnets work, but in this case, they say it's gonna stay like really stable and all that. So we're gonna see. Yes, sir. Oh my God. Okay, so we have the I guess the plant pod, the actual plant pod right here. I must say it's not that big. I thought it was gonna be. Oh wow, it's pulling already. Oh my God, look. Oh wow. Okay, so I need to move that away for now. I guess what I think it's what's gonna happen when you plug this in is that since this magnet is really strong, it I guess lowers the frequency of the magnet or something, or the force or the strength of the magnet. So I kind of goes up. Or the other thing I may be wrong, I'm just like guessing right now, I'm speculating, is that there is, let's say for example, it has a positive charge right here, so there's a negative charge, so that's why it attracts, right? But then at the same time, when you turn this on, there's another magnet or just negative charge pushing it up, so at the same time, like the same force. Anyways, I can stop talking. Okay, I thought this was going to be a bit bigger, but it's really, it's actually small to begin with. So that's how it looks like. And the base, yeah, look at the size of each. The base is really big compared to the plant right here, or the plant pot. Let me get my succulent, so at least we have some decorations. Okay, I got this one right here. I think it's about to die, to be honest with you. Like, really. Anyways, I just fits right in. Yeah, just enough to fit properly. That's good. That's a good sign. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna plug this in and see how this works. So let's plug it in first. Does it have a, what I'm thinking, oh my God, can I open this? Okay, here we go. Does it have any switch? Actually, it doesn't have any switch, so you just plug it in right away. We have the power port right here. You know what? Oh, fuck it. Okay, plug it in. So it should be on. Okay, I can see a red light right here. Not sure if you guys can see, but there's a red light here. So that means it's on. Now, let's put... Okay, nothing. Wow, it's really strong. Let's do this first. Wow, the instruction says, expect that it will take numerous attempts and may require some practice to master. Okay, I didn't know. I didn't expect that you have to practice to master this one. There's a mastery thing. It's actually kind of hard. Oof, that's hard. Yeah, it's like I can feel it starts to get heavy and then not like there. Yeah, you really have to find a spot. Ooh. So it's not that easy, actually. This is very interesting. Oh, here we go. Wow. Can you guys see? Let me pull it back so you guys can see. Okay, it's not that high, actually. Oh, wow, it's not, now it's starting to, let me put this in so at least you guys can see. Oh, no. So it's rotating. You see it? Now it's rotating. Wow, okay. Very interesting, but is it in the middle though? I'm not sure if it's in the middle. Why is it like leaning towards? I have to move it a little bit. Oh my god. Holy shit. Round 2, we're gonna do a second try. So you can see my desk is so dirty now. But we're gonna try it again. Okay, let's see. At least I got it after a few tries. There is, yeah, you're gonna have to find the middle. Why is this one though is like leaning towards this one side? Okay. Oh, no, don't fall. Okay, so I gotta balance the plant. I gotta do some counterweight in this. Okay. And then it actually just rotates by itself. I think it's from the magnets and all that. Very, very interesting actually. It's very cool. I like it. And I'm assuming while we're doing that, actually, let's put this to this side. Hopefully, oh, let me take this off because I'm kind of scared. I was kind of hoping that if you have a coffee mug and gonna do it like that, like, you know, in the car, that it's not gonna spill and stuff. But apparently, it's not that stable yet. I mean, now it's stable, but you know, if it's off, slightly off center, then you know, all hell breaks loose. Okay, so we're gonna unbox this levitating light bulb. We have the user manual right here. Again, it's wet, so as you can see all the ink right here, fortunately, but it says it has AC adapter, base, and bulb. Okay, same thing as this. Let's just open, but this is slightly different. This is in a walnut theme or something, but yeah, it's walnut finish. We have a big ass bulb right here. What I'm curious is if we can change the bulb after, because obviously this base right here is where the magnet is. Yeah, okay, so unfortunately, one of the downside in this one is I don't think I can even replace the light bulb. So this base that goes with the magnet, apparently it's not removable. Okay, so anyways, we're gonna test this out. You have the AC adapter again, same as this. And we have a circular base right here, and it has a power button. Can you guys see? Yeah, but it's more like touch, not really like a button, but like a power touch button type thing. At the bottom, it has this kind of like a speaker grill. I think this one as well has it. And then we have the power port right here. So we're gonna plug that in as well. Let me put the plant here now. Hopefully I don't mess it up. Okay. That's good enough. This one, oh wow. So one tip, don't put it in even though it's not, you know, especially when it's not plugged. It's just gonna suck it in right away, the magnet and all. Now, I'm curious, I think, yeah, once there is enough power, this will light up. Okay, here we go. Does he have any power? I mean, I didn't press it yet. So press that. Do I see any light? No, I don't see any light. What does it say here in the manual? Oh, this is for the bulb. Okay. We still have to balance it before we do that. Okay. Yep. We can turn it off. Okay, that's for the bulb, not for the magnet. Ooh, I don't want this to turn that off for now. We gotta find oh my god. Yeah, it's like everything is pulling from different sides and stuff. Oh my god, that's kind of hard. This one is harder than that, apparently. It's like I can hear a little bit of a clicking sound. It snaps in. Wow. Yeah, it's hard. This is gonna be the entire video. I'll try to get this thing in the middle. Wow, it's not easy. Okay, I think we got it. Yes, we got it. Turn it on. Oh, wow. It's gonna spin, it's spinning. That's crazy. I mean, once you get it, it's actually really, really cool. Why did you stop? Okay, this one. Okay, we got 2 levitating tech accessories right here. And that is so cool. What do you think about that? I wish this would have been like a what I call it, RGB light. But you know, I ain't got no complaints. This one is very, very stable now once it's in the middle and it's like rotating constantly. I like that. I wonder how much power this takes actually. I don't think it's a lot, but you know, it doesn't say here. Oh, okay. The book base may. Oh, the base might get a little warm because of the magnets and all. Okay, that's good to know. But wow, this one is really, really cool now. I'm kind of scared to take it off again because you know it's kind of hard to put it back. This one is a little bit easier. This one is the hard one. Let's turn it back on. This one, why? I'm not sure why this is not rotating. There you go. Oh, I don't want it to fall. Okay, let me try it again. I'm gonna take it off, put it back, and see if I can get this one to go. Oh, yeah, it's hard. Oh, that's really, really. Okay, once you get it in, at least it stays in there and it will start to rotate. There you go. Okay, so that's pretty much it actually. I mean, what are the use cases? If we can get a coffee mug that's gonna constantly warm your coffee and then, you know, you put it in the car and you know you get to a bump and stuff, it's not gonna spill because you know it's magnet. But what I'm worried is, you know, it's still not stable yet. If this gets a little bit off to the side, it's just gonna spill. But this is really, really cool. All right, so this is a very short video. I just wanted to test this out. Very, very simple yet really, really cool tech. Uses magnets and science and all that. So if you guys want to get these two accessories, I'll put the links down below. Hopefully you're gonna use the referral links. They are referral links, you know, to help brother out and all that. But again, I think this is really good. All right, so that's it for this video. It's a short video. Don't forget to smash the like button, and if you haven't yet, consider subscribing to the channel. And also, I'm gonna put the referral links down below again. If you decide if you want to purchase one of these two, use my link. It doesn't cost you anything, and it will help me a lot. So that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next video.